Good morning. Today's skill building is going to be finding a missing point value between 2 points and also a distance between 2 points. So we're going to start with this one here first. The slope of line AB is 5 with points A, -3, -1, and B at 2n. We're supposed to find the value n and the distance between points A and B. I'm going to do this algebraically first and then also graphically over here. So first of all, slope. The formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I can label these as x1 and y1, meaning x and y in the first ordered pair, and x2 and y2, x and y in the second ordered pair. So all I'm going to do is fill in all of these numbers and variables in their correct spot. By the way, slope is m. So we're going to have 5 equals y2 is n minus from the formula -1 from the other ordered pair. x2 is 2 minus from the formula -3 from the ordered pair. So now we're going to clean all this up. 5 equals n plus 1 over 5. And then we're going to, if I make this look like a fraction, cross multiply. So 25 equals 1 times anything is the anything. So 25 equals n plus 1. I move the 1 over, n equals 24. So we found the value of n. The next thing we need to do is find the distance between the 2 points. Now this may get a little challenging with the 24, so let's see how we go here. -3, -1. So that one's right here. And then 2, 24. So I'm going to go ahead and label the 2, and then I'm just going to throw that up there. 2, 24. So I'm saying that this up here is 24. We're supposed to find the distance between these two. Hopefully you will see that I'm going to need to use the Pythagorean theorem here. So if I make a right triangle out here, so now we need to figure out the lengths of these two sides. So here I am 3 to the left, and then also 2 more that way. So this side over here is 5. Over here I'm 24 up and 1 down, so this side is 25. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 5 squared plus 25 squared equals c squared. By the way, it doesn't matter which one's a and b. I could have put 25 here and 5 there as long as they're both the legs. C is always the hypotenuse, and that's what we're trying to find. 5 squared is 25. This is 625. Add those two together and you get 650. And then I need to square root. So square root of 650 is 25.495 units. That's how you do these type of problems. Let's do one more. This time we have -4 and 3 and 12 and n. So here's m, x1, y1, x2, y2. I like to write down my formula. Go ahead and fill it in. So -1/4, we're going to write it this way right away. So we got our proportion set up. All over n minus 3. And then 12 minus -4. Minus from the formula, negative from up here. Cleaning this up, over, this will be 16. So now I have 4n minus 12. You have to give it to both of them. So to the n to the -3. And then these are going to go this way, equals -16. Add the 12. 4n equals -4, so n is -1. Okay, we need to find the distance between them again. So -4, 3 is right here. And 12 is going to be way over here, down 1, so we'll just put it right here. Again, we're trying to find the distance here. So we need the lengths of each of these sides. This one's up 3 and down 1, so this one's got a side of 4. And this one here is 12 this way and 4 that way, so 16. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So 16 plus 256 equals C squared. Putting those two together, we get 272 equals C squared. Square root it, and end up with 16.49 units for the distance between them. And there you go. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.